Welcome back. Hey everyone. In this video, we are talking about JavaScript events, the secret behind making your website respond to user, whether it's clicking a button or typing in a form. Events are what make things happen. Events are just actions that take place in the browser. When a user clicks, scrolls, types, or even loads a page, that's an event. And JavaScript gives us a way to listen to those events and react, kind of like setting up tripwires on your page. Think of like this. A doorbell is silent until someone presses it. Once pressed, it rings. That's exactly how JavaScript events work. They wait for something to happen and they then respond. Here's a simple example. When a button is clicked, this code shows an alert. We are using add event listener into click to listen for that click. Events are essential for interactivity. They allow your website to change based on what the user does, whether it's submitting a form, playing a video, or switching the themes. Events are everywhere. So next time you click a button and something cool happens, there's JavaScript events in action.